Children, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed lesson paragraph writing on holy, children. Today I am going to start your revision, children. So in English language I am going to take the revision of lesson 11, that is degrees of comparison, children. So in this we when we compare more than two nouns, we can make use of comparative degree and superlative degree. In this, when we use the simple form of adjective, it is positive degree. When we make comparison between two nouns, it will be we use comparative degree, and when we make comparison between more than two nouns, we can use superlative degree. For an example, if we take the example of a house, it is smaller in size. So when it is written as small, it is positive degree. When we change it into the comparative, we use er, and when we change it into the superlative, it will be est. So we can write it in three forms like small, smaller, smallest. Okay, so these are the 3 degrees of comparison, children. Okay, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, children. Okay, I give you the explanation of the chapter. After that I can give you a test paper. You have to write it and submit it into the class group, children. Okay, so let's begin with the revision test of lesson 11. Okay, children. Children, as you all know that yesterday you have completed all your syllabus, which is of your post periodic. Today I am going to start the revision of English language lesson 11, degrees of comparison. As you all know that in the previous classes I have told you that when we compare two or more nouns, we make use of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. And adjectives, you all know, it is used to describe noun or pronoun. So when we compare two or more nouns, we make use of comparative and superlative degree. Like this is, you are seeing in the picture, Alina's house, Muskan's house and Aditi's house. So for example, Alina's house is small, means it is given in the as an adjective but in a positive degree, na? So when we change into comparative, it will be smaller, and when we use the superlative degree, it will be changed into smallest. I have told you na that positive is given in a simple adjective form. You have to change, when you change into comparative, you can use er, and when we change it into superlative, we can use est. So in the above examples, we see how three houses are compared with the help of the degree of adjective small. Means as an adjective, small word is given. We can change into comparative, it will be smaller, and when we change it into the superlative, it will be smallest. So these three forms of adjectives are called degree of comparison. I hope you all are now clear that these three forms of adjectives are degree of comparison. Degrees of. The first one, small, is positive degree. The second, smaller, is comparative degree because it gives the comparison between two. So it is comparative. Comparative comparison means tulna karna. And the third smallest is superlative degree. So comparative degree is used to compare two nouns, whereas superlative is used to compare more than two nouns. Means when we compare more than two nouns, it will be superlative degree, and when we compare between two, it will be comparative degree. So I have told you that we add er to make comparative and est to make superlative degree out of positive degree. So we can change like this. So come to the next page. In the next page, positive degree. In positive degree, some words are given like tall, big, fat and strong. So these are all adjectives, na? These are all adjectives. A man is tall or short, big, fat, strong. Okay. So it is positive degree. In positive degree, we have written the simple adjectives, and when we change it into the comparative, er is added like this. Tall, taller. And when we change it into the superlative, we can add est. So tall, taller, tallest. Okay. Come to the next. Next is big. Big will change into bigger, biggest. Next is fat. When we change it into one more t is also added and er. Fat will be changed into fatter. When we into comparative, it will be fatter, and when we change it into the superlative, it will be fattest. Double t will be added like this, as same as big. Big, bigger, biggest. You see, G is double, na? So, big, bigger, biggest. Next is strong, stronger, strongest. Okay. Now, some of the other words which we not change like this: bad, badder, baddest. It will be changed like this: bad is changed into worse and worst. Good word will be changed into better and best. So, however, some of the adjectives from their comparative and superlative degrees in different ways, they can change like this: bad, worse, worst, good, better, best. Beautiful word will be changed like this: more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. I hope you all have no more confusion in this chapter. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group also, na children. Okay. So these two exercises are also given in this. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with correct degrees of comparison. Sohan is, thin word is given in the bracket. You have to change it into comparative or superlative. So Sohan is thinner than his brother, because there is comparison between Sohan and his brother, so it will be changed into thinner. Okay, so it will be changed into comparative, it will be thinner. Next is Vardhaman books are the best, good to read. So good third form, superlative is best. So Vardhaman books are the best to read. India is hotter than America. Between two comparison is there, India and America, so it is hotter. Next is Piyush is smarter than Abhijit. Now this is also the comparison between two, so it is changed into comparative degree. Next is Anuradha is more intelligent than Anubhav. So Anuradha, now intelligent is just like beautiful, so it will be more intelligent than Anubhav. Next is today's match was more interesting than that of yesterday. Come to the next exercise. Take the correct degree of adjectives below. Abhimanyu is more intelligent, most intelligent student in the class. So Abhimanyu, no comparison is that's why it is most intelligent. So Abhimanyu is the most intelligent student in the class. Shinar is faster than Sharon. There is comparison, so it will be faster word is correct. Next is Kartar was the slowest among all participants. So slowest word will be correct. Come to the next. Dalhousie is cooler than Chandigarh. Between comparison is between Dalhousie and Chandigarh, so cooler word is correct. Karthik is really a promising boy. Shaurya is more faithful than his neighbor. Samarth and Shaurya are the thinnest amongst all of us. Okay, so you can complete it like this.